Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I am going to create this clean girl makeup look using the products which I got from Canada, and I'll be reviewing those products as well because most of the products here are the products which I'm using for the first time. So if you're interested in these kind of videos, keep on watching. So without any further delay, let's get started. I have quickly done my skincare, so let's start with makeup. I'm going to use this primer which is from Murphy's Light Form Extended Hydration Foundation, and which is in the shade medium 09W. This is medium with slightly peach undertones. The packaging looks like this, and this has applicator, pump applicator. I mostly use my fingers to blend this, but I don't want to get any product on my top, so I'll be using brush to blend that. Look at that shade match, it's perfect for my skin tone. This foundation is not high coverage. At least this foundation is making my dark spots less visible. Yeah, you can see how this foundation brightens my face, and which is lightweight, which is not heavy on my skin, but I can still feel I have something on my skin. I think you got my point, where the skin tints are like your second skin. You don't even feel anything, you don't even feel like you have something on your face. But this foundation, you feel that you have applied, but again slightly, but it's lightweight. You can see how well I could blend this. I'll be setting using this compact right here, which is from Sephora in the shade this is matte powder foundation 21.5Y. I don't know what does that mean. Do we have shade name? This says matte, and I don't know the shade exactly. We have foundation and the applicator. This is good. I can already say this is not my shade, but I can work with this. This is one shade darker to my skin tone. One or two, I don't know, but at least it's one shade darker to my skin tone. See how quickly it mattified. You can see the difference. And also you can see the difference of the tone, of this shade. It's a bit warm and dark for my skin, but that's fine. I can work with it. Let's move on to our next step, which is blush. And I'm excited about this blush because I was waiting for the launch of this blush in India, and I couldn't buy because I don't know why, what happened. I just couldn't, I don't know. And here I have Rare Beauty's blush. Oh, I love it. This is my first time using Rare Beauty. This is Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in the shade Hope. A long-lasting liquid blush that blends and builds beautify for a soft, healthy blush. So, look at that color. I mean, most of the mauve colors suits my skin, and this is one of that. Can you see the heart here? I know you must be thinking I'm applying more, but I'm trusting the process because this shade is light and which looks natural, so I'm applying more. I am going to to apply on my eyelids too, so which gives natural look. So as I'm not applying any eyeshadow, this gives some color. Oh, look at that shade. You can't see any color on my eyelids, but still it gives that illusion of some color. Of course, it's giving natural pink shade. Look at that. I told you, see, it blends into my skin so well, and also it's looking very natural. This is good for my everyday makeup look or no makeup look. Next, I'm using this mascara. This I've already used. You might have already seen in most of my videos. I was using the same product. The applicator looks like this. Look at that curve. Look at that lift. I mean, I already have curly lashes, so I'm going to take this only. This is the hack which I'm using from so long, where take off the product, most of the product, and just use the same wand to fill your brows. I mean, I don't usually do it. When I do it, I just do it like this. This is looking clean, right? Now I'm going to use the normal spoolie to brush that. If there is any extra product, it will come, and also after you brush, the color will be there and hair looks, it looks defined, more defined. After that, we are left with our last product, which is this lipstick is from Morphe again. Morphe Soulmate Velvet Lip Mousse, okay, which is in this shade Bella. And to be frank, I've already used this lipstick. Of course, before making any video, I try the product and then I'll get to know the product, because while shooting I can't really tell anything about the product, because I can just talk about the consistency of the product, the coverage, or how it looks, the packaging. But how it performs, you can't know in in half an hour or 1 hour shooting time. I can't understand. Obviously, I used the product before, and this product is matte. Once you apply, it is not drying matte. This looks matte, this dries out, okay? But one good thing is, you can wipe this off effortlessly, I'm telling you, because I've used multiple matte lipsticks. I'll have to rub my lips or use, of course I use cleansing balms or makeup remover, but still this is so easy. You can just wipe it off using your fingers. But when you apply, it creates the illusion of mattifying, and it will stay for long. It performs like a matte, and you can remove it like a bullet lipstick. That's what I'm telling. Look at that. I love this color. This can be day lipstick and night lipstick. The applicator is different. It's like this. Most of the times I take time to apply lipstick because I want it to look perfect and defined. Just leave it for like 1 or 2 minutes and it will be set. Then you're good to go. Look at that, how cool it's looking. I've not applied any filter, I've not applied anything. You can see my pores, you can see everything, and yeah, so does the makeup. It's not cakey, it's looking so perfect, it's looking well blended, it's looking good. This is how I mostly want my makeup to look most of the time. This makeup is so good, I can say I'm loving this. So these are the products I have from Canada, and also to complete the complete look, I'm going to apply this perfume. This is from Versace Bright Crystal, which is EDT Natural Spray. It smells amazing. This is our last step. Look at the packaging. I love it. With perfume, this video comes to an end. If you liked this clean girl makeup look, please comment your favorite products from this video, or if you are planning to buy any of these products in the comment. However, apart from Murphy's, all other products are available in India. I hope you like this video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.